How to join a new course in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely enroll a new language or a new course. First of all, open the application. Now here, this is the place where you can select which language that you want to enroll. Here, I'm tapping on one. Here on the bottom, tap on continue. Here, if you are a new learner, you can select it accordingly. So here I'm tapping on I'm new and tap on continue again. Here you must start this learning German for the first time, or you can select already know some German. So it's better you start from the first and tap on continue. So the course has been started and you can easily start the unit 1. Tap on continue and here the course has been started. Now you can easily watch and learn from the Duolingo application through different sounds and images. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.